If God speak to you, he does not trust your ability. Rely on his ability. If you want to complete your journey in faith, you must understand that some of the things that God can do using you, it is not your strength. It's the abilities of God. You know why we have lost some members in the church? Because they don't understand. When they flow in the anointing, they think it's their ability. But God, when he uses you, he plants his ability. Some of the people, we gave them a man. We gave them the microphone. They ministered. We clapped hands. We encouraged them. Some of other churches outside, they told them that you are called by God. Why are you still a ordinary member? And when you look at himself, when I preach, people stand indeed and call, only to find those are abilities of God. The abilities of God can work, but it does not guarantee that you can now go. You must serve your gift. Love your local church. You are chosen by God. You are nothing. You are nothing. Don't undermine those who taught you. You know when we start to minister, our pastor, you find that this message 10 years ago. Because of his son, he pretended that is something new. He encourages me. So when those people tell you outside, don't worry. Your pastor knows better. I want to say God can take something out of nowhere and instill his ability. And instill his ability. In some families, no one went to university. But when God designed and chose him, like he chose the wife of Manoah and sent you to university. Some are starting in teeth. Next to engine garage. They cannot come to Zuma. They forget that it's God who chose them from nowhere. And he sent them to higher institutions. When they are there, they then met other pastors. And they forget about us. When you went to matric dance, we contributed as the church. But when he is there, we forget. Remember, God who chose to take things that seem to be powerless. God have a plan to go
nezakwazi bezithandazela wabana